Welcome back to Shedtune and the great outdoors. In fact, Shedtune outdoors. We work on all sorts of stuff. Well, Dom does. Check this out. The back of the truck pulls open. Quick release clamps that we've used on the scooters, but look at that bad boy. Full on camping, so that when we're racing, scooter rallies, whatever, if we've got the truck with fishing, if we've got the truck with us, then mate, we can make tea, coffee, cook food, all in the back of a van. Truck.
Or truck, whichever.
Pretty cool, huh? Put the kettle on. More patches, scooter patches. This makes me look like I've got a shiny head. I probably have got a shiny head. Though you probably can't tell because I've got a thick head of hair as well.
You talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, I thought you were talking on the camera.
Well, I'm talking to you out there as well. Do I have a shiny head? I don't think I do you? Right, welcome back. So if you watched the last video, you'll know that I had to replace the reeds on the TS1, the VForce 4 reeds, which are quite tricky to change if you've never done it before. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. What else? We didn't go for a test ride because it started to rain, but I'm going to insert a clip here, which is me making sure the scooter isn't going to seize. Right, so we're still doing some work on Gill's scooter. So we've got to fit the new Casa engine bar so that the manifold don't hit the frame. Rear light, headset top, and just finish off the bits of wiring to get it started. Well, as you can see, we're still working on it. I've put the back light on. You can tell that because it's wonky. That won't fall off, Gill, you'll be alright. And Dom's trying to sort out the earths and the rest of the ignition. So we'll crack on with that. What have we done today? Well, not too much to be honest with you. We've got a lot more of the wiring done. It's not quite finished or tidied up yet. As you can see, Dom's managed to do the earth. We've got all the wiring going. We've got to tidy all that bit up. We've run a wire from here that goes all the way up to there into the toolbox so that you can charge your phone or run something else, whatever you want to do. And that's about it. Right, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Please give it a subscribe, a like, a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing, maybe drop some comments about projects you're working on or stuff you'd like to see us do. If you want a t-shirt or a hoodie, then there's a link in the description. Just click on that, follow the instructions, and then you'll know what to do. Apart from that, we'll see you next time. So it's goodbye from him.
That's goodbye from me.
Bye.